This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can change the wrist orientation or the watch orientation on this device. So you can do that either through the iPhone's Watch app or through the Apple Watch itself, and the procedure is identically the same. So from launching the Watch app on an iPhone and launching the Settings app on Apple Watch. So from here, go into the general category of settings and then orientation or watch orientation. And now you can switch the wrist position between left and right, as well as the digital crown orientation between left and right also. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.